Esiwakago back here again, and I'm hoping you can hear me because today I have the car that you don't usually get to hear what I'm saying, especially when I go on live, but I'm hoping today you can hear me. So welcome back to Esiwakago YouTube channel, where we inspire, we inform, and we also encourage a person. Today, right now, I'm heading to Missouri, that is downtown Missouri, from Kansas to Missouri, which is KC is in Missouri, Kansas is Kansas State. So I am driving from my state, from my state to the next state, not too far. We are very close to Missouri, and most of the services, we get them from Missouri part. And I'm heading there to go see my lawyer because we have to sort out something that didn't go too well. Okay? So, what is smelling? Sometimes when you're in business, there are things that you will come across. Others you will need to have a lawyer. Others you can sort out yourself. So today I would want to contact or to get to talk with my lawyer, and I have an appointment at 1:30, trying to get there on time. And something is smelling, and I don't like smelling things when I'm in my car, like gas. So away from that, what I was saying is, I am in business, and I got hired by one of the companies. It's a real estate company. They have a lot of rentals. Most of the rentals, they use them for students, whereby it's close to a campus, and then the rentals are used by the students. They rent and then they share. For example, if they rent a house that is 4-bedroom, all of their houses comes in 4-bedroom, 4-bath. Each room is a master. So if you they rent like 4 students, and I think each room goes up to from 5 or 600 up to whatever, depending with the size and everything. So they hired me for some Airbnb work, because part of the real estate was Airbnb back then, but then they decided not to continue with the Airbnb, and they stopped my services because they would no longer be doing the Airbnb. They're gonna convert everything into the renters, and that's okay because that is how they want to do their business. And I had worked for them for quite some time, and they owed me a lot of dollars. And the agreement was to pay me within 30 days. And that is what my agreement states, and theirs as well. So I signed theirs, and it was saying the same thing, payment within 30 days. And I also tabled my agreement. Before services, I have to show you the agreement that we're gonna make, and you sign. And when you sign, then if you violate, that's supposed to be handled in a legal way. If you do not cooperate, and in this case, I happened, they stopped my services because there were no more Airbnbs, and the students don't get the services I was giving them. It's upon you to clean up your house, which is good. But here is the problem. They were supposed to pay me all the due money, or the due amount of money, within 30 days. That was back in by July 10th. We are in November, and they had my money from May. They had my money from May. So what happened is, I gave them the grace period, but they didn't pay me. Up to date, they haven't paid me all my money. I have tried everything I could and making peace with them, giving them time to make things right, but they didn't. The real estate is in Lawrence. It is another city in Kansas. So the real estate didn't pay me up to date, and I tried everything, pushing them and all that, but they paid half and they have never paid me the rest. When I asked them, they said they mailed the checks, which is a lie, because you can check to see if the checks were cashed out. If they were not, then it means you can see your money is still there. So that's why I'm heading to see my lawyer, so that we can sue them, we can serve them with some letter to let them know they have either these days to pay me together with the late fees. They will have to include the late fees. They're supposed to pay within 30 days. After 30 days, there is a 5% of whatever amount it is, and they are supposed to pay me. So hoping they're gonna honor the letter that's gonna get to them or go out to them through my lawyer. And I hate this because this is a 30 minutes drive. They are wasting my time. They are. So they're gonna cost them more because they also gonna be made to pay the lawyer fees. This is not my responsibility. I did my job, they approved it, but then they cannot pay me. They will have to pay more because of negligence. That is called negligence and stealing of services. I'm gonna be there in a few. It's quite a distance because, like I told you, I have to be on the other side of Missouri because that is where the office is, and we're gonna see how it goes from there. Okay, let me show you the other side of the road. I don't know if the guys, I'll see you on my next video. Do not forget to keep on keeping on, because we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. Bye bye.